In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a page in WordPress. Duplicating a page can be a super handy tool, especially if you're looking to create a similar layout or content without starting from scratch. So let's dive right in and see how you can accomplish this in just a few minutes. First things first, you need to navigate to wordpress.com. Open up your preferred web browser and type in wordpress.com in the address bar to get started. Once you've landed on the homepage, locate the login button. It's typically found at the top right corner of the page. Click on that and it will take you to the login portal. Now you'll see various options to log into your WordPress account, but for most users, clicking on continue with Google is one of the simplest ways depending on how you've set up your account. This option allows you to bypass typing in your username and password, making the process faster and more secure. Just go ahead and click this option. Next up, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. If you're already logged into your Google account, you can simply select it from the list. Otherwise, you may need to enter your email or phone number followed by your password. After you've selected your account, WordPress will authenticate you and you'll soon gain access to your dashboard. With your dashboard open, it's time to head over to the Pages section. This is where all your pages reside. To do this, look through the menu bar on the left side of your screen, find and click on Pages. This will bring up a list of all the pages you currently have on your site. Once you've navigated to the Pages section, browse through your list to find the specific page you'd like to duplicate. When you've found it, simply click on the duplicate option associated with that page. This action will create an exact copy of your selected page, saving you the hassle of recreating its structure and content from scratch. Finally, after you've duplicated the page, you'll be taken to a page editor with your duplicated content. Before making it live, it's crucial to review the content to ensure everything looks as it should. Once you're satisfied with how your page looks, click on the Publish button. This step will make your duplicated page live on your website, available for your audience to access and view. There you have it, a simple and efficient way to duplicate a page in WordPress. This process not only saves time, but also ensures consistency in your website's design. So next time you need a similar page layout, you'll know exactly what to do. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.